Hi, we're Joanna and James. Join us for a gentle wander through Richmond Park and across to the beautiful River Thames.
It's 2 in the afternoon and the light is already fading. It's November and we're heading steadily towards the shortest day.
On the brightest winter days, we bounce out of bed ready to greet the morning.
But when the world seems covered in cloud, it feels a little trickier. The lack of light can seem to take our energy with it. And of course, it's natural to wish to hibernate now. But there's so much still to treasure. The robins sing through winter, and their song is delightful to behold.
We can enjoy the bright colours of late autumn, the soft rustle of the last leaves in the trees, admire the foliage of the evergreens, and then the beauty of the branches of the trees, unseen when covered by leaves, all different, like fingerprints. We can daydream over plans for next year. Perhaps even plant a few seeds.
Thank you both.
And later in the day, to find the light wherever we can becomes a skill, even a game. Reflections in the water, the street lamps, the light of conviviality, of friendship.
Dumbledore famously said, "Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times, if one only remembers to turn on the light."
And we do.